So I hope that nobody was fooled by the shakeout yesterday in the crypto market. We saw Shiba Inu price drop pretty fast in a very significant way. And this is something we experienced throughout the crypto space. And I want to talk about why that is. But right now, Shiba Inu has actually set up a new trend. And right now, we are, in fact, currently broken out. And it looks like we're prepping for our next big push to the upside. I'm Luckside. He's excited. I hope you guys are too. I'm Luckside. Welcome to the channel. If you guys haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So this is the move that we talked about. I had said that I hoped that there wasn't going to be a surprise in the market yesterday, and there was. We obviously dealt with the news coming from South Korea about marital property, crypto falling under that scope, and we saw a lot of shuffling, a lot of moving around in the market. And we obviously saw Shiba Inu print a negative 5.5% candle. That's never a fun thing. And what that actually looked like was Shiba Inu was dropping out of its trend. This is why I really hate looking at 1 hour charts and forming trends off of these. But what it did actually, in fact, do is confirm this descending channel that we've been in. This is the bull flag that has now led us to actually this minor Shiba Inu breakout. I'm not getting super excited about this yet, because we've seen this happen before where SHIB has broken out a little bit to the upside, but then it was kind of a fake out and we fall back in. And that's kind of what we need to watch for here. This is our support. You know, again, no surprises in the crypto market today, but what we're seeing is actually a lot of the same things we saw yesterday. And what it is a lot of excitement. We're seeing Ethereum making a breakout. In fact, Ethereum right now is pushing its local high that we've been dealing with here. We are close to setting the highest price we have actually seen since June. So this is a very strong sign for SHIB as well, because remember, SHIB's LPs, it has very large ones with Ethereum. So when Ethereum tends to move up, it tends to drag Shiba Inu with it. Now, that being said, the reason I had to re-record this is because we talked about some of the similar things we experienced yesterday. We saw another good day from Whales. Whales actually added another 360 billion SHIB. And at the same note, we actually saw some very strong inflows from Ethereum spot ETFs. I don't know why I said that weird. So this was actually a $132 million inflow day. We also saw another strong day from spot Bitcoin ETFs. In fact, we saw an increase from what we had seen earlier in the week, $675 million. So we're seeing some very strong bullish trends, some very strong buying trends. And these are things that lead us into short liquidations. These are things that lead us to the next extensions in terms of price. And it's all just a question of, does sentiment continue? We talked about some of those things last night that may impact price in the short term, the jobs report, CPI report, FOMC meeting. But we're seeing if we can get a little burst of excitement. We're seeing if we, hey, don't do that. We're seeing if we can get a little bit burst of excitement in the meantime. What I will say right now is this 20-day moving average for Shiba Inu is actually at the top of its last breakout here. So it's going to be very soon pushing up on the bottom of Shiba Inu here. A lot of times this 20-day moving average is actually what carries us to our next breakout. You guys can see that same thing taking place back here. That may be what happens here. We might go sideways here, right? And just kind of extend out of this trend just a little bit as this 20-day tries to catch up here. And then that may be what pushes us again towards those next breakouts that, 405, possibly even pushing towards a new all-time high. This isn't a guarantee. This isn't financial advice or anything like that. But the thing is we've seen these trends time and time again. And right now we're seeing excitement build up in the crypto market. We're seeing, apparently he likes my light. We're seeing all the right trends that we need to see for the next breakout. And it's a question, or the next big extension. And the question is, will it, right? Do we have enough? Do we have enough fuel to really get this thing going? And right now, the dollar flows are showing yes. New capital is entering exchanges. USDT dominance hasn't really dropped off in a big way despite the market picking up ground. That's a good sign because that new capital is what lets us run higher and higher. This is the same thing that's going to lead us to a new all-time high in terms of Shiba Inu. So I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Oh, he just bumped his head. But have a great day. Show your love below. Let me know your thoughts. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.